Release the Kraken!
This is for you, Michael Bay.
Yo.
Yo.
Word. Adjective. Pronoun.
This is a bear.
Adverb.
I represent the renters too damn high party.
On. Where my gerunds at? Parenthetical.
Did you know
Yo.
I'm Muslim, right?
Yo.
Nobody's perfect.
14
Yo.
to 22 inches of snow!
Oh my God!
Can we be quiet for a
Yo.
second? It's like ridiculous.
Yo.
All of our black viewers just fainted.
Word.
Penis in my face!
In the toilet right now. I've got a good feeling about this.
That's right. I'm a cartoon character. You'll never be able to be like me.
Here comes crazy time.
Me. I like women. I like women. I like the concept of a woman. I like to take that concept and reduce it to an object. I like to take those objects and put them in my videos. Have them shake their jiggly bits so they look like hoes. I like to take some car polish, smear it all over their asses and buff that shit out so it looks like fresh peaches and shit. I like to take some more of that car polish and smear it all over their tits and buff that shit out so it looks all sparkly. And it will get better. Cause I'm a ladies man.
Did you learn anything?
A la ladies man.
He's climbing your windows. He's snatching your people up.
I'm hosting Saturday Night Live.
Overreaction.
Look, it's Justin Bieber.
Are you an idiot?
Teenage girls should be required to get an abortion.
I believe so.
Oh my God. It's a double rainbow all the way.
No liquor, no beer, and of course, no snow globes.